Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert shoes symbol in world. So this is very easy to insert. So first you need to firstly click on insert. Now click on this last option symbol. Now click on more symbols. So one screen will be open. So just click on this drop down in font section and choose this one, and character code is 1F45E, and click on insert, and second one is 1F45F, just type this insert, and the third one is 1F460, just type insert. Now this fourth one 1F461, just type this and insert, and this fifth one, this 1F462, just type this character code and insert, and close it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.